Welcome to this video demonstration of the Ford Fiesta satellite navigation system. It's all displayed upon the screen that you see there and controlled using these buttons here. So in a moment I'll show you the screen. I just want to let you know what buttons it is that I'm pushing. So map will just do exactly what it sounds like it will do. It will bring up the map. And to use guidance, you go to nav. Once we're in any of the menus that you see, we're going to be using these arrows to move up, down, left and right, and to select things. So to start with, if I highlight the screen, we're going to hit the map button. And what you do, every time you press map, it will change the view. So you can have a perspective view or a kind of a north-facing bird's eye view, if you like. As soon as we hit nav, that's where we can actually then start to input destinations. So we're going to go down to input destination and select OK. And then we're going to enter a postcode. So it's really simple to use. As you start to enter a postcode, it will limit your letter choices, as you can see. And then obviously when it comes to numbers, if it was only one number we were putting in, that symbol there would be the space, so we'd move on to another number. I'm going to do a 2-digit number. It knows we need a number next, so numbers are the only thing that are available to us, and it knows it's going to be 5, 6, 7 or 9. We're going to do 7, and then we'll just finish the postcode off like that. So that's the postcode we want. We'll select OK on that. We can start guidance by moving up or down here if we wish to, using those arrows, or you'll see the 4 symbols at the bottom where it says start, store, coordinates or map. Those symbols relate to these 4 buttons here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 along the bottom are the 4 symbols that you see there. So you can just press that lower left hand button that I showed you a moment ago and it will calculate the fastest route, as you can see.
The route has been calculated. Please drive onto a digitized road.
And there you go, it's as simple as that. We can then, you can see the 4 symbols at the bottom are still there, or the 4 different options, so we can stop the route by pressing one of those buttons. We've then got, beyond route, we can input destination, we have traffic information, we can input and save our home address, so you can just get home on one touch of a button. Any last destinations, so that you don't have to keep putting in the same postcodes again. You can save yourself favourites, and then you've got points of interest. So if we select points of interest, search by name or search by category, we'll do category. Points of interest nearby, yeah, we want that. So for example, if we want a petrol station, we select petrol station, and it will find all petrol stations in order from the closest out. So 400 yards, 1.1 mile. And then you can just select a petrol station. So let's say we want to go to Shell. Maybe you've got Shell points card. It will calculate a route to that.
The route has been calculated. Please drive onto a digitized road.
And it's as easy as that.